Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Fresh. To begin, squeeze a small, pea-sized amount of Max Fresh toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Then, brush your teeth thoroughly for a full 2 minutes, ensuring you reach every surface front, back, and chewing. This helps activate the cooling crystals for a truly fresh feeling. Finally, rinse your mouth completely with water to remove any remaining toothpaste. Max Fresh offers several fantastic benefits for your oral health. Its unique formula contains hundreds of cooling crystals that dissolve as you brush, delivering an intense burst of freshness. This powerful action helps to actively fight bad breath, keeping your mouth feeling clean and invigorated for several hours. Plus, it works hard to protect your teeth against cavities and strengthen your enamel. For optimal results with Max Fresh, aim to brush at least 2 times a day, ideally after your morning and evening meals. Remember to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or even sooner if you notice the bristles becoming frayed, as this impacts cleaning effectiveness. For a truly comprehensive oral care routine, consider pairing Max Fresh with daily flossing and a good mouthwash. Many people ask about the safety of Max Fresh. It is generally safe for adults and children over the age of 6. If you experience any unusual sensitivity or irritation after using the toothpaste, it's always best to consult with your dentist. Also, remember to store your Max Fresh at a comfortable room temperature, keeping it away from any direct sunlight to maintain its effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.